In this episode, we explore Monterey County, starting off in Carmel Beach, then heading to Big Sur to check out some of the sites like the Bixby Bridge, Pfeiffer Beach, the Old Coast Road, and the McWay Falls. What's up, drivers? Welcome to the Carpool Lane. Today I have the lovely Kelly with me. We are at Carmel by the Sea, so we are going to go check out the sea, then head up to Big Sur. Got Kobe with us, got new rims, new tires, so ready to have some fun. Let's go. What a nice little pit stop this is. The water is so blue. Kobe's trying to play with his friends over there.
Friends.
Yeah, they might not be friends. He mostly makes enemies, but we'll see. We've got teepees going on the beach. Right, we are at this beautiful lookout just right outside of Carmel. Carmel? It's making me hungry just saying that. But we're making sandwiches with a little vista point to look at. Would you like a mic, miss?
Yeah, make me up. Make me up.
Make us a sandwich. After exploring some scenic detours, we found ourselves at the iconic Bixby Bridge. Right, we are on the Old Coast Road next to the Bixby Bridge. We're going to do the Old Coast Road. It's about 10 miles right now. It's the first time these tires have seen some dirt, so we're pretty excited for it.
Get me mic'd up. I want to chat.
Oh, you want to chat?
I want to chat.
Also, it's a Thursday and it has been packed. This spot was empty, and then as soon as I pulled up, there was like a line of 5 people over here.
A lot of family time going on.
Kids throwing rocks over the cliff. I'm just like waiting to kind of like do a little bit of shooting.
You know, you start a line, but it's like when you look like you know where you're going, people follow.
That's true. That's true. They see the Bronco and they're like, this guy knows where to go. He's been places.
Right. Tires, first time with the dirt.
First time on the dirt with the tires. They are doing great. It's an extreme trail, which is why we see all the rental cars that are just, you know, grazing on through, but...
You had to say rental cars?
Hey, beautiful. How you doing?
No, you go first.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, girl.
Good job. Oh, they're branded. Come on.
Excuse us. Pardon.
Okay.
Pardon us. Oh. So yeah, it looks like we hit some traffic on the road here, but seems to be clearing. Oh, never mind. It's not clearing up.
Come on, y'all.
All right, we just got done with that trail. We met some cows out there. They were super cool. Told us to go to Pfeiffer Beach, which is where we're at right now. Toby's chilling. They got some cool caves here. There's like a nice little river that runs through to the ocean, which looks pretty cool.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
It is absolutely gorgeous. You heard it
More
here.
windy than I thought, for sure.
A
But
bit windy.
a bit windy.
Feels nice though.
Yeah.
And we have a
breeze.
teepee, a shelter.
Yeah. Can't wait to throw the towels over here tonight and have blankets and be good to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Set up a pillow. That was Pfeiffer Beach. Now we are at the State Park Campground. $35 hauler, but we found a
Cheap.
spot. Yeah, super cheap.
Super cheap.
So cheap. Felt it being real cheap,
Yeah.
but it's cool. There's a nice river going through it. It was super pity.
Super pity.
It was super pretty.
Super
coming in.
pity.
Super
I'm gonna
pitiful.
Start saying that. Super pity.
Super pitted.
Pitted hearted.
It was sick.
Yeah.
And yeah, so we're gonna set up, cook some food, take Kobe on a walk, maybe take a shower in the river.
For lucky.
If we're lucky. So let's do it. Okay, good morning. We're still at the Pfeiffer Campground State Park. What are we doing today?
We're gonna check out McWay Falls because my last name's McGiffney and I feel like it's just on brand. Might go on a hike, probably gonna go on a hike. Don't know where yet, but that's okay.
All right, we are here at the McWay Falls, which Kelly so foolishly called the McKay Falls.
No, I blamed the script writer. I was just reading the prompt.
That was definitely my fault. I thought it was called McKay. It is McWay and it is McBeautiful.
I will always have my McWay, and it is beautiful.
All right, we are at the Carmel River State Beach. The fog is rolling in. We were trying to do some hikes, but there's nothing really that dog friendly over in Big Sur. So we figured we're probably just gonna head out south and find some more stuff to explore on the way back home. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this, be sure to hit that like button and to subscribe. And also, if you do come to Big Sur, make sure you have your hikes and everything planned out before you get there. There is basically no service anywhere. It sucks. But yeah, gonna make a sandwich and then hit the road. So we'll see you on the next one.